Hey guys, what's up? Back with another video. My channel is eisenhardj.m. I do videos on a daily basis, bringing you apps and websites. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Okay, let's get on with today's video. Today's video is Roadie, where you get paid to drive. Say you're driving home from work, you can get paid to take packages from point A to B, or say you're going on vacation. On the way to your destination, you can pick up a gig and get paid. There's endless gigs. I'll show you a breakdown. This is where you sign up. I'll put the link below if any of you guys are interested. Why choose Roadie? What you know? Choose deliveries and fit into your schedule. Working at home or on your job, going to vacation, earn up $60 for driving locally and up to $6.50 on any road trip. We'll let you know every detail before you're offered a gig and hit the road. Quickly see what you'll be paid for each delivery. No pickup in delivery locations before offering. Decide what items you want to deliver and how often. If you have a car, pickup, minivan, SUV, any vehicle will do for Roadie. Why drive for Roadie? Come home in, but you can read right here. Testimonies. Make more money per trip. Get complete transparency. Drive packages, not people. No, like I said, no minimum vehicle standards. Any vehicle you can use. Choose your deliveries.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Sorry about that. Get help when needed. 24/7 phone, email support. You got videos, how it works, confirm, how-to guides. Get accepted and go. You can deliver across town, across the country. Roadie right here, benefits. Get paid and earn rewards, no matter where you drive. Pay for road trips, cover gas costs, and earn spending money. Find out more drivers. Find out why more drivers are discovering Roadie. It's more of the same here, guys. So this is the app on the Apple App Store. It has a 4.6 review. You guys can read over the reviews. And has a 3.7 on Google Play App Store. So you can see which one is reading reviews, see which one's best for you. Well, guys, that's all I got for this one. We get paid to drive. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell. Till the next video, guys. Peace, guys. I'm out.